everybody, my name is Abigail. If you're new to my channel, if not, welcome back. I'm really excited to be filming a video today for you guys. It's been a while, a long time. Today I'm going to be using a Remington straightening iron that I got from Target. I turned it on to heat it, and the highest it goes is 410. So I'm going to let that sit for a while it heats up and hopefully not burn anything. First, I'm going to be combing it out. This is how my hair is normally. This is second day hair. I realize that it's easier to straighten and flat iron your hair on the second day, because when I do it on my first day that I just recently washed it, it gets really frizzy. So I'm going to be brushing it out. Regular brush. I'm going to be brushing it. I'm going to be using my Tresemme dry shampoo to kind of freshen up the hair. This is a second day hair. I'm getting that right in my roots. And this helps volumize your hair as well. And I love that they came up with the new formula, and it's a larger bottle. I used to get this in the green color. I don't really like the smell of it though. It's really strong. I'm going to be just putting that all over my hair because we don't want any powder. And I already have a lot of hair, but when I flat iron it, I like how it's going to give it a little bounce. You see how that just instantly volumed my hair? Awesome. I love that. And I'm going to be also using Tresemme Keratin Smooth Oil. Put like a few pumps. I think I put like 3. And just wrap that all around my hair. I have my flat iron warming up while I am prepping my hair. So when I straighten my hair, I like to part my hair like this. So leaving about this much out. And I'm going to be using a clip to get that out of the way and working just in small sections like this. Let's take our straightening iron, and I'm using today the Remington pink straightening iron. I haven't really gotten the chance to give this a try. Two swipes. Look at that. Some people like using a brush, and it works well when you use a brush or a comb because you burn your hands less. I don't, honestly. I'm used to it. We're going to be straightening it all around. You know, I cut my hair around December. My sister cut it for me. We were bored and we decided to cut all our hair. And it was harder to straighten your hair, honestly. I feel like when it's shorter, it's harder. Okay, and for the back, I don't want there to be any like clamps, so I normally will turn around and show you. I just randomly feel it and make sure to straighten that. Straightening my hair is one of the things I dread doing, but I love how it looks. I dread it because I have a lot of hair. It's really thick, and I feel it takes a lot of my time. This isn't my normal straightener that I use. I'm just testing it out. I recently bought it and I still want to get my feels on it. So once I'm happy with that side of the hair, I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to be bringing out a little bit more from the hair. I'm really impatient when it comes to my hair, so sometimes I'll take out big chunks. So I went from here to here. So I have this much hair to work with. I'm going to be speeding up this process. It's the same thing. I'm going to be going here and here and here, and I'll show you what I do for the front of the hair. So when I've almost made it this far, I'm going to be just separating the crown part, and I will be doing that a little bit different. So just keep clipping your hair and do the same thing, your sides. Sometimes this hair gets in the way so I can't see. And you want to make sure you are grabbing from the top down. Okay, so we have reached a point where these baby hairs need to be tamed down. So what I do is I will work slowly, you know, not that much heat on them because they're very little and they can get burned really, really fast. So if you're scared, you can also use the side of your straightener and just tame it down like that. Another trick to help you too, because sometimes our hair has a lot of static, is you grab one of those tissues you use to put in your dryer when you're drying your clothes. The ones that smell good, and we use them for the static of our clothes. You put one of those in your hair and it will tame the staticness down. Why am I running out of breath? It's a workout. I'm telling you, doing your hair is a workout. And we're going to do this side as well, these baby hairs. So I start focusing on my baby hairs at this point, because when I let this hair fall down, you can't really work on this hair. And then sometimes this hair will be really straight and then this would just be lifted like that because of the baby hairs. So I like to tame these down. Okay, so we've come to the end of the hair. So I don't really have a parture way of parting my hair. I'll just put it in the middle. And I'm going to be doing the same thing that I was doing, but you're going to see what I'm going to be doing different. So just keep straightening down. So for the front, I'm sleeking down, but kind of like in an upward motion, because I want the front part to be a little bouncy, and then the rest straight back. You see how that kind of gives it a little bouncy there? Okay, so this is what I'm going to be doing different. I'm going to be bringing all my hair forward to the face and working it like that. So I usually sometimes will stand up to do this, but kind of like this, and I can see from the bottom how the ends of it are. And that's when I grab all of this from here and straighten it. To make sure the ends are good, I'll go to the side of the hair. This is what I do when I do it by myself. And once it's there, you know how I had a part in the middle? I'm going to be bringing it to the side, like that, and straighten it this way, going that way. This is going to give your hair, the side of your hair, a little bounce to it. Because it's not going to be all flat into one direction. Make sure this is straight, and then do the same thing for the other side. You're going to bring it all the way to the other side. So then when you go like this, your hair has that bouncy look on the front, and I just focus on the ends. And in the front, a little bit of a curve. Because I have a little bit of layers. And one last touch in the back. The ends are very important. Want to make sure you grab the ends, even the back of the ends, because it's really hard to do this by yourself, so you can't really see the back. You're just feeling it. It's all about feeling with your fingers. Alright, so that is it. We have straightened our hair. I'm going to turn this off before I burn anything. One last thing I do is I grab the same Keratin Smooth oil I used. Do one pump this time because we already have it. Warm it up with my fingers in between because I'm going to be going like this. Just the end, so it'll grab that oil between your fingers. And this is just going to be towards the end, because the end is where my driest ends are. And then what's left over, you put it on the rest of the hair. But this is it, guys. Look how long my hair is now. Nice and smooth. Anyways, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye bye.